Hello, my name is Carol Fonseca, and today I am going to make you a little and short video about the pronunciation and sounds of consonants and vowels of the APA alphabet. Consonants. The first consonant is for example, pen, happy, jump. The next, for example, dog, added, played, played. The next, sh, sh, sh. For example, chips, choice, picture. The next, j, j, j. For example, jam, danger, joke, joke. The next, for example, fire, love, phone. The next consonant, it doesn't produce a voice. The tongue is positioned between the teeth and air is taken out. For example, thick, healthy, teeth, teeth. The next consonant, the position of the tongues is the same as the previous one, but this time we take out the voice. For example, mother, this, brother. The next, sh, sh. For example, shop, nation, special. And vowels and short and long. E. She, for example, sheep, busy, started. The next, E. 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 Beat, did, said. The next, U. U. For example, put, good, should. The next, oh. For example, about, police, the. Long, e. For example, sheep, eagerly, feel. The next, ooh. For example, moon, grew, throat. Diphthong vowels. The first, e o. For example, ear, here, carrier. The next, ea. For example, train, say, plane. The next, oo, oo. For example, your tourist. The next, oi, oi. For example, boy, point, oil. The next, I. For example, buy, hike, find. Okay, thank you. Thanks you for your attention.